We're at Michael's to get me some stuff for my desk, and I'm excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yikes, this is what my studio was looking like when I first moved into this house, and again, yikes, I just had so much stuff everywhere and it was just junky and cluttered and I didn't know what to do. So I just started little by little going through all of my stuff, trying to get rid of things that I didn't want or need, get rid of trash, old things, what to give away, what to sell or trash, whatever. So I just started clearing out the area and I was making some pretty good progress. And there's Mix, you will see her quite a bit in this video. As far as this shelf, I was just clearing it off because I wanted to move it and reorganize it. At this time I did not have a lot of hair products, and you guys will see by the end of this video that has definitely changed. I'm trying to get this whole area organized. I already started. You guys will see that in a separate video. And there's Mixie being crazy. Alright, so right now I'm just trying to clear off like my desk area and everything, wipe everything down, get it cleaned up. I'm debating if I want to repaint this area. I definitely want to paint the baseboards white and everything so it matches, but I'm not sure if I want to paint this white or like a different color pink or just leave it. I don't know, but we'll see. But for right now, this video is basically me just trying to organize this area, all my hair products, makeup products, nail stuff, everything. So I'm gonna try to reorganize all these shelves, redo this, make it look all nice and neat. Eventually I'm gonna get a new desk, probably do something with this wall, get some new artwork. Yeah, just kind of zhuzh up the area a little bit more and make it look a little more nice and neat and professional. All right, so I got all of my products out, well basically all my products out, and I'm about to organize them by type. So I'm gonna have like all my styling foams, my oils, shampoos, gel, that kind of stuff, and just break them up into categories to figure out how much of each thing that I have, and then try to figure out how I want to organize and set them all up. So this is all the stuff I had as far as hair products, and I put emphasis on had because my collection is very different now. So then I went on to organizing my makeup products, and I really didn't have too many makeup products because I don't get a lot of makeup often, and I kind of just stick to the products that work for me. You know, I'm very much a if it ain't broke don't fix it kind of girl, so I stick with what I like. And this was all my stuff organized, and now it was time to figure out how I wanted to contain these items. So I went on Amazon and went a little container crazy, and I got a whole bunch of containers to store my makeup, which I ended up changing and repurposing these containers because I just found better ways to store these products. But I started clearing out my drawers and my cabinet and stuff, so at least they were like cleaned out and ready for me to rearrange. So I just had my makeup in there for now, and I really liked the way it turned out. You know, it was functioning and working. So this was the progress that I had made so far. I kind of came a long way. You know, I worked a little hard. I had all my stuff on display, but I still had a hot mess in the other corner waiting for me. I still had a lot to deal with my desk area and just all kinds of random junk in there. We're at Michael's to get me some stuff for my desk, and I'm excited. So I didn't end up filming in Michael's because this stuff was heavy and I got a lot of things I got my desk, so I needed a whole bunch of separate pieces. I had my tabletop, my drawer units, and all that stuff. And of course, Hakeem helped me and put my shelves and all that good stuff together. Thanks, Hakeem. And then his stepdad came to help him take down the old desk finally and get that out. And then I put my new desk in, and you guys can see my walls are painted now. But that's a whole separate story. We dealt with a tornado and leaking and stuff, so we had to get it repainted and repaired. So I didn't even film it, but we had painters come in and paint my walls. So yeah, I got these shelves off of Amazon. They're actually spice racks, but it was too big to fit where I wanted it to in our kitchen, so I decided to use it for my hair products. And it's mainly just for like my bottles and stuff. Obviously my deep conditioners and bigger containers won't fit in here, but I will have it linked on my Amazon shop for you guys. My products look really nice, and I lined them up by like my wash day. So these are my shampoos, conditioners, leave-in conditioners, and some of my styling products. Then I also rearranged this shelf. It used to be behind me in my old setup, but I since moved it to this corner, and now I have my makeup and hair supplies up top. I got this container off of Amazon. I think I got this from TJ Maxx. So most of these containers and stuff are from Amazon. So yeah, this is where I'm keeping my makeup and some of my hair products. I have my clips in here, my duck clips, and then I have all my scrunchies and stuff color coded nicely, and then some other hair products and tools down here. It's the HJN production. This is just the beginning, baby steps, but it's coming together really nicely. So this is what my desk is currently looking like. I was filming some content, so I have my ring light set up over here. I was doing some bullet journaling, as you guys can see, and you guys will probably see that content already, but this is what my desk is looking like. It's all set up and stuff. And then I added these sticky notes on the drawers, just so I know what I want in each one. This is what I was doing when I started organizing them, and they're pretty much already organized. I have my office supplies, pens, highlighters, all that stuff. These are like my electronics, and I have my old journals and just this journal that I found because it's really cute, so I just stuck it there. I have some extra papers and stuff over here. As you guys can see, everything's pretty much organized and stuff. Eventually I'm gonna get some labels made to go on top of the drawers, because I will definitely forget what each drawer is. But yeah, that's that. I hung up some pictures, and I have one picture that I want to paint to put right there, so that'll get there. I got some curtains up, but I'm probably gonna get some new ones because these ones actually have like a little rip in it. They're supposed to be blackout curtains, and you guys can't see it now because it's late. It's literally, what time is it? 3:34 in the morning. Yep. But anyway, moving on. My studio looks really crazy right now, but I also have these desk legs that are going to my other tabletop. I have two of these tabletops. Oh, by the way, I didn't even tell you guys, so I got my desk from Michael's. I wanted an Ikea desk, but I went online and they literally had nothing I wanted in stock. This is exactly like the look, the length, and everything that I wanted in my desk. I wanted a whole bunch of drawers. I didn't necessarily want this cubby thingy, but I liked the way it worked out. Anyway, so yeah, what I wanted from Ikea just wasn't available, and I really wanted my desk. Sooner than later, I had this old clunky brown desk. I've been trying to organize this whole setup for so long. But anyway, so I had this old desk and I didn't want it, and it just didn't make me feel motivated and stuff. So I just wanted my desk sooner than later, and I went on Michael's and I saw they had these drawer units that I got. This is just one piece with the 5 drawers. So I got 2 of those, one on each side. But as you guys can see, it's pretty short. I think it was only like 24 inches. So then I got these little half cubbies that are 8 inches, and then put 2 of those on top just to make the desk a little taller. And then I just have the tabletop on top. It's a little crooked because I moved it. There we go. So now I just have this tabletop on top, and everything is screwed in together because all the pieces came from Michael's. They already had like pre-drilled holes to be able to connect everything. They just have these buildable systems. So just so you guys see, the box of this, and then the oh wait, that's the same thing. Oh, the cube thing is over here. We were painting stuff, but yeah, that's the cube thing. And then these are the tabletops. So this is the new one that I have unopened that'll go with these table legs that will go over here, which is a hot mess. Oh my goodness. Like I said, this is where I do majority of my filming and creations. As you guys can see, I got some nail stuff on here. I also do my Zoom calls on here, so that's why my laptop is over here. So yeah, and I have all my nail supplies. You guys already seen this, and this stuff just looks a mess. I've been moving a lot of stuff around, but anyway, so I'm putting the other table over here. It's gonna go this full width, like this start of the wall to where this organizer ends, and then I'm just gonna move this over there. You guys will see, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. I need to go through that bag of stuff and just like clean up. Plus we're getting our bathroom done, so there's just like a lot of like dirt and dust on the ground that needs to be cleaned up. But yeah, this is where we're at. So now we're in the process of putting in my new light fixture that I got off of Amazon. Of course, it was actually really inexpensive. It was only like $60, and it was really cute. I'm not sure if it came with the light bulbs or not, but the light bulbs, if they were separate, were probably like $20 or something. But of course, I came in and stepdad, put it up. They did all the wiring and all that fun stuff. This room would not have gotten done without them because they helped me so much with like major things, and then of course Mix had to be around for the process. But yeah, my light was going up and I was super excited because I just had this old basic light up there and it was terrible lighting for like filming and stuff, so I definitely needed something brighter, and of course I wanted it to be like modern and sleek and all that good stuff. So they let me put the light bulbs in, and that was fun.
How many else does it take to screw in a light bulb?
Hey.
Righty, tighty, lefty. Well, we can't tell you that because
Next. Get her.
You need a dimmable switch because these are dimmable lights.
Okay, good. Crazy girl. This is what she do when we try to get stuff done.
Oh, it's in this room. Oh.
All right. Oh, my nice, pretty new light. After I got up, it was time to get this corner area nice and clean, and it looked really good and ready for the desk to come up. But I didn't like the polish that was out, and I got some new polish, so I decided to put my new bottles up because they all look nice and they match, and it was just very aesthetically pleasing to me, very satisfying. Hey guys, so I know it's been a while. I'm giving you an update of what's going on in my studio. I've added some things. I added some more shelves over here. I got this new chair. It's supposed to be in front of my desk, but I sat here while I was doing my hair before I left for my trip. What else? I got a monitor over here. We're getting rid of this desk, just waiting on a good time to move it. Got some new pillows. I got my Cricut. Finally, y'all, I went through so much to get this Cricut. I went through so much. I originally got it through Amazon, and then they canceled my order because it got damaged on the way. So then I was supposed to get refunded. I never got refunded, but I ended up buying another one through the actual Cricut website, which came before Amazon even refunded me for the one that, you know, it was just a mess. I'm not even gonna get into it. But anyway, I got my Cricut, and I got this new table for it to sit on. And I actually really like this table, and now it makes me want to get another one to replace this table over here, but I'm not going to do that. I might do it, but I won't do it in this video. I also got a storage ottoman over here. I got that to store my journals and stuff because I wanted them close, but I didn't want them to like be obvious. So that was the best thing to do, and I got that off of Amazon. So yeah, right now I'm just cleaning up and stuff, trying to get the space together because it is kind of a hot mess. I kind of left it a little haphazard because I was behind on packing and stuff before we went to Colorado. So yeah, I'm going to clean it up because everything is basically pretty much here how I want. Now this space is not 100%. It's definitely not 100%. It's about like 95, but it's good enough. It's good enough for me to reveal and show you guys. I'm super happy with how the room has turned out overall. It looks so good, and I'm so happy, so blessed, so excited to be in this space and have this space. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it really looks like.